And we're on. Good afternoon and welcome to the Short Cook, another sketch. And today we are going to do bread and butter puddingish with a slight twist on there, in that we're going to add some chocolate into it. I am still wearing the shorts, hence the Short Cook. I'm still just under 6 foot and I have a couple of dedications today. One is for Clive, keeps doing the fantastic camera work. And the second one is for Dion Glass Joints Seath, who I'm utterly amazed has reached whatever age he's reached today without just disintegrating and shattering in various places. And I'm surprised he's not just a pile of dust, to be honest. We'll sing happy birthday, Dion, shall we? Yeah, let's do that. All right. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Glass Joints, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Dion, happy birthday to you. Good stuff. All right. So, ingredients. We have already melted 100 grams of dark chocolate on here. I think that was 70% cacao. We have over here some milk and cream, milk and double cream. There's about a pint and a half, I think, in there. 2 bananas chopped up, 4 eggs already whisked, 50 grams of, I think that's Demerara sugar, and 8 slices of bread. I think there's 8 slices, buttered and cut into triangles and sort of semi-arranged nicely in there. If you just want to focus on that for a second, Clive, without tripping over Chef Whitey, and then what we'll do is we'll assemble this and we'll get it into the oven. Once again, it's all in the prep. We have melted the butter over there, over a pan. It's called a bain-marie. Little glass bowl. They can use a tin bowl, but we're using our tin bowl over here. So, sugar into the egg mix. Just give that a bit of a whisk round. There it goes. Effectively what you're making here is custard in real terms. If we get now, rip the milk, and oh, what's that doing there? Get rid of that out of there. We'll save that for a minute. Whoop, nearly. We will whisk some of the egg, some of the cream and milk mix into the chocolate there, just to make it easier to get it out of the bowl. Spot of chocolate milkshake going on there, I think. Right, let's have that out of there. I think I can get rid of this whisk now. I'll just get rid of that. There we are. That can come out of there, hopefully. And into that. It was tremendously expensive chocolate, so we've got to make sure that we get it all out. Cooking chocolate of any description, as long as it's a high cacao mix, 70% and above is good. Works really well. Got all that out of there. That's smashing. Give that a stir in a second. Yeah. And we will mix that into there. All about juggling the mix today. Mix it all through. So eventually what we've ended up here is chocolate, milk and cream, eggs and sugar. I meant to hold some of that sugar back, Clive, to sprinkle on the top. We're going to have to find some more sugar. Oh, a few bits of chocolate there. Let's get them in. Yeah, smash in. Oh, should we put that back in the... You reckon we can do this without making a disaster? This might make good watching. Yeah, oh, we managed that. Good effort. Cracking. All of that out, all the sugar stuck to the bottom. There we go. Smash it ready, stir, get rid of that. Find some more sugar, which we have done. Out of the way. Right, we need to build this up now. So I've already buttered and sliced the bread here, and what I need to do is I need to put some of the banana down in those gaps in between. We'll just work that through. Probably need to go back over it in a minute and put some more in there. There we are. Now we did have the option here of doing the chocolate orange bread and butter pudding, but since we did the chocolate orange mousse the other day, we thought we'd have a go at something else, hence the bananas. Just need to slot a few more in and put a bit down the side there. A few of those in. Nearly there. You could use more bananas. You could use other fruit, undoubtedly. Or you could do the old chocolate orange that we were going to do originally. Right, nearly there. Last bit in, job done. Right, quick hand wash. Right, the magic. So once again in there we've got the cream, melted chocolate, sugar and egg mix. Make sure that's all mixed together in there. Effectively a chocolate custard. And we just need to pour that on. My concentration face on here. Just getting that. That's it. Nearly done. Quick stir again, make sure we get all the stuff out the bottom. Now this is going to go into the oven at, did I say this already, gas mark 4 or 180 degrees, and what we want is, we want these bits that are sticking up to go golden brown, and the chocolatey custard mix needs to get a lot firmer than it is now. It should sort of set up. Right, get rid of that. We need to sprinkle some sugar over the top as if there wasn't already enough in there. This is not for the slimmers. Just a light sprinkling of sugar over the top there. I'm sure it'll be sweet enough anyway. And then what we're going to do with that is we are going to, as I say, pop it into the oven, and when it's cooked we will be back. So we'll see you in about 40 minutes. Okay, so we're back. Bread and butter pudding is out of the oven. Clive, one shot. As you can see, we've got some quite caramelised bits here. That'll all add to the taste. Now, ordinarily I would try and get something out using one of these rings, like a scone cutter, and try and cut a piece out of it there, but it's kind of looking, I mean, it's nice, it's got a wobble on it, a bit of a panna cotta wobble. But I think that the eggs that I used were probably a little bit smaller, and it would have benefited from another egg in there. Just would have set it up a bit. So, it's not going to look the prettiest, I'm pretty guaranteeing that. But by the smell of it, I think it's going to taste rather well. So, let's try and get a portion out for Auntie Sandra. In the least sort of messy way possible. Although, like I say, I'm not convinced that that's going to work particularly well. Right, here we go. Ooh. Oh, I'm trying to get too much out there. Maybe. It wasn't quite how I. It wasn't quite how I envisaged it. I've got to say. Yeah, that's just not the best looking thing in the world, is it? Get another bit of toast and pop it on the top there before we can get the stills. How's that? That look better? We need to considerably more than just to be able to wipe around the edge of this plate. What I'm relying on here is that this is going to taste absolutely stunning, because it certainly doesn't look it. A little bit of double cream, I think, just to fill in the gaps. There we are. It's looking better. It's looking better. And then I thought we might finish it off with a shard of chocolate, a bit like that. What do you think? Huh? A representation with chocolate. What's that? Yeah. So there we have it. Chocolate bread and butter puddingish. That's a short out from the Short Cook. Please do subscribe. Stay safe, enjoy yourselves, and we'll see you again soon.